Take up means to fill or occupy time or space. When a task or activity occupies much of your time, or when a person or item occupies a lot of space. Some example sentences. The meeting took up the entire morning. This means it occupied a lot of my time. The new sofa takes up a lot of space in my living room. Most of the day is taken up by looking after the kids. I have hundreds of videos that take up a lot of space on my computer. Take up also means to start a new hobby or interest. When someone begins a new hobby or other activity in their free time. Some examples. Mike has taken up running to lose some weight. She has taken up knitting to help her relax. He took up karate at a young age and now he's an expert. What new sport should I take up next? Take up can mean to make a piece of clothing shorter. To make a piece of clothing or fabric, normally a skirt or the legs of trousers, shorter. Some examples. She asked for her skirt to be taken up above the knees. We had to get the curtains taken up so they wouldn't drag along the ground. My trousers are too long. I need to take them up. Notice how we have the object in the middle in this last sentence. Take them up. Take up means to resume after an interruption. To continue with something after an interruption, or to continue from where someone else had finished. Some examples. Let's take up where we left off, which means where we finished. The sequel takes up where the first movie finished. We will take up from where your teacher finished yesterday. Okay, open your book to page 52. Take up also means to address an issue. To speak to someone about something usually negative, to see if they can help with that situation. Some examples. I would like to take this up with the manager. We should take this matter up with the city council. They can't let this problem continue. They'll have to take it up with their boss. And here's a bonus meaning. Take somebody up on something. This means to accept. To accept an invitation, a challenge, an offer, or a bet from someone. A couple of examples. I'll take you up on your offer to help me tomorrow, which means I accept your offer. Do you think you can beat me in a race? I'll take you up on that challenge, which means I accept your challenge. I hope you found this lesson about the phrasal verb take up useful. If you did, click like and subscribe to our channel so you know when we create new videos to help you improve your English. Have an awesome day.